Hey guys, so today I'm doing a Walmart haul. I didn't get a lot of stuff from there because I usually go to different supermarkets. But this is some of the stuff that I got from the Walmart. Let's go. So I got these Zesta crackers. These is hubby's favorite crackers. He used to get the other premium, I believe the other name was, but he really likes these. And then my grandkids love them too, so that's that. And I just got some unsalted butter from there. I ordered some other stuff that did not come, unfortunately, like the buttocks, spicy something, and I ordered some lobster Lagostinos. They didn't have them, of course. But also, I got some of the raw shrimp, the 1622. What these would, oh, they are the colossals. The 1622 colossals. Shrimps. I got some chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cookies. Just some chocolate chip cookies. Some milk. I got my garlic paste for when I'm doing my cooking. So this bag. This is just some thin sliced chicken breast. So I'll probably be in Aldi's getting more of my meats. Like I say, I go to different supermarkets throughout the day, throughout the week, rather. 18 count eggs. Cheap too. 18 count eggs that I usually put into my egg holder, my egg dispenser. Oh, see, those eggs were just in time because the egg dispenser needs to be filled up again. So I will fill that up. I have hubby's sardines. He loved taking these to lunch. So he ordered some sardines. And just some Dunkin' High cake mix. I tried to find the pistachio cake mix that one of content creators on here, Marina Latrina, she did a video of it with the pistachio cake mix, and Walmart did not have it. Maybe it was a special for Easter, like she said, but they didn't have it. So I just got plain. I always elevate my cake mix, so I always get plain and do whatever I do with it. Then I got extra virgin olive oil, small bottle, some balsamic glaze. I'm going to make something nice with that. Balsamic chicken or something. We'll see. And why would they put two of these in here? Roasted garlic and herb. They put two. I didn't ask for two, for $4 each. Yeah. But that's fine, because I'm cooking all the time, so I'll use it. So far, that's what I got from and I got the water, Pure Life. Oops. The Pure Life water. 35 count. We drink this water up so quick. But yeah. That's all I got from there. And let me show you fill up my egg dispenser here. They just roll on down. I got this off of TikTok. It's actually in my TikTok shop. I will leave a link to my TikTok shop. And you guys can go check out my TikTok shop. It doesn't hold 18 eggs. They do have bigger ones that do hold the 18 eggs. This one does not hold 18 eggs. But there you go. Catch you on the next haul. Bye for now.